Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pickled vegetables and I'm going to use our fennel oil extract. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just mix our liquids. I've got some water, some vinegar, the agave, and some sugar, and a little bit of salt. So just bring all of these to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we're going to let it cool. I will add the fennel oil extract and the mustard seed, and then it has to cool before you pour it over the vegetables in the jars. So we'll let that come to a boil, and we can fill the jars while I'm waiting for that to boil. So you can put any kind of vegetables. You can pickle anything, right? So add whatever you like. It's nice to have color, of course. So pretty to have your color vegetables. I've got some onions and I have some garlic. Everything's good with garlic. And we've got some red peppers and cucumbers and cauliflower. So like I say, just add whatever you like. The fennel oil extract adds a lovely flavor to this. It's really worth trying out. You want to make sure that your pickling liquid is cool though before you pour it over these vegetables. You know, it just has to be room temperature. I'm going to add the thyme after I boil the liquid. That'll come to the top and it'll look pretty on the top. So just layer these however you like. And this will be ready in about 3 days' time. And then it lasts for a long time. So I just keep it in the refrigerator. And it's great on a cheese board. It's good for any kind of meat dish as a side. And it's a fun thing to do, you know. It's something you can do with kids. They can help you do this. They can cut up the vegetables in funny shapes. All right, so I think that's good. I think they're pretty full. This is getting close. Just want to make sure all the sugar is dissolved. And using our agave, we'll cut down the amount of sugar that you have to add. All right, so this is boiling. I'm going to turn this off and we want it to cool now before we pour it over the vegetables. So you can either put it in an ice bath or go do something else and let it come to room temperature. And once it cools, we'll put it in the jars. Okay, so this has now cooled. So I'm going to add the fennel extract, some mustard seed, and we'll mix these in. And I'm going to pour some of this into here. Make it a little easier if I pour it into this jar first before we mix it, and then you just pour it into your jars. All right. Then I'm going to add some thyme to this. Give it some great flavor. Push that in there. Okay, so you want to seal these up, put them in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready in about 3 days' time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course the giveaways. See you next time.